is Sharif, or just nailed it, and this is 12 Days of Christmas. We are on to day 10. Our theme for today is Rudolph. I'm going to do like your basic Rudolph design. You can do this for yourself. You can do it on your little girls. They would love this. We have got our base coat on it, and it's in the lamp. It is number 308 from Beatles. It is this beautiful, beautiful tan color. Love it, love it, love it. Looks a little different on camera though. Let me see that again. Yeah, it looks way different on camera. Sorry about that. We got some colors off to the side on our palette. We got red, black, and white. We're going to be doing Rudolph in 309. Let me see if this is true to color. Whoops. This is like a chocolate. Yeah, this is like a milk chocolate color to me. That's what we're going to be using for Rudolph. Just take your brush. Whoops. I'm going to go like, I don't know, almost halfway up the nail. You could use the brushes I did. You can use a detail brush, a stripey brush, whatever you want to do. I'm going to put his antlers on now, and then we're going to stick it in the lamp. This is really going to go well like that. Gotta make these just a little bit bigger. I mean, these are the big stags of the forest. Yeah, this is not looking well here. Oh wow, we're gonna stick this in the lamp now. Shoot. Not exactly how I was hoping for. Gives you a lint-free wipe, some alcohol, some isopropyl, like 50% if you can find it. Clean your brush. Clean your brush. We're going to be using a dotting tool for the eyes and the nose. On the nose, I'm also going to be using, what happened to it? This is number 478. We are going to use this for the nose. It's a beautiful Christmas red. Over the top of it, I will put some glue gel by Sheet Modern, and then I will use some red hollow. Hollow, Erica. Some red hollow over the nose. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at my lamp's tripping out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. And you don't get lost with them all in the month of December. It's possible. It's very possible. Excuse me, I need to get a drink. Oh, please excuse me. I get perched easy. Especially with all the talking. I don't know what setting I put this on, but I have to shut that off. We're going to go in for the eyes. There we go. Also going to do the nose partially. So let's stick that in the lamp. Give that a flash cure. We will go in with the pupils for the eyes and the glitter for the nose, or the glue gel. But she mattered. I'm gonna pause and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back. We are now gonna go in with the black for the pupils. We will stick those in there. Let's make this one just a wee bit bigger. Just a wee bit bigger. Also, I'm going to go with my glue gel from She Modern. Put this back in the lamp. We're almost done. We're almost done with our Rudolph. Then we'll be adding the glitter, the hollow glitter. Can't wait. I think it's going to be so sweet. Hope you've checked out the other 9 days of 12 Days of Christmas and you are following. Excuse me. Pardon me. That you're following along with me. I am terribly, terribly sorry. I had a total tickle in my throat. But I hope that you're following along with me on the 12 Days of Christmas. Again, this was day 10. Tomorrow will be Santa Claus. A lot of different ways you could do Santa. I like to do the kind of traditional Santa Claus. Oops. This I am going to use my brush and maybe even my silicone tool. We got glitter where we don't want glitter. It went a little wide. Just a little bit. So now we are going to put that away. And we are going to top coat. And I have Beatles top coat. Top it off. It's a Beatles theme. Tap into your nails, seal that glitter in. Pop it in the lamp for a full cure. I'm using a lamp that is 108 watts, so I don't need the full 60 seconds. 30 should be just fine. And we'll place them here. See how poor Rudolph turned out for us. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you were here with me today. Sorry I'm sounding a little nasally probably. You know, it's winter. What are you gonna do? Sorry, brushing stuff out of the lamp. Yeah, but let me know that you were here. Show some love. Woohoo! Show some love. I hope you're having a great December so far. You know, the best that you can under the circumstances. That you're spending it with your close, significant people in your life. Okay, let me test this. Our Rudolph is finished. I think he turned out kind of cute. So leave me a comment down below. I think I should have cured in between because the black kind of spread out on the antlers here at the base. So I should have did a separate cure. Food for thought for next time. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell. And see you tomorrow for day 11. Thank you and have a blessed day.